Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Google Meet. Your camera might be blocked on your computer. So basically, as we go ahead and use Google Meet right here, you will then go ahead and get a notification to enable the access permission for your camera, microphone, and more. And sometimes we go ahead and press deny, and that can cause the problem of your camera might be blocked on Google Meet. To fix this, we want to edit out the access permissions to enable the camera and microphone settings on this specific website. You can simply go ahead and click on the padlock icon right here, which states the page information. From here, we have different access. So we have the camera. You can just go ahead and make sure that this is enabled, including the microphone and sound. If you go ahead and simply disable this out, we cannot go ahead and access our camera because our camera is blocked from access. So you want to make sure that you enable your camera access, and from there we will be able to use it on our Google Meet. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.